All present here. Today I am here to deliver a small speech about the 5 important health benefits of millets. First of all, what are millets? Millets are a low maintenance and drought resistant grain. They are used for both human consumption and livestock. For example, ragi, fina millet, bajra, whole millet, etc. The grains provide various health benefits such as number 1, helping the digestive system. Millets contain fiber which contribute to digestive health and helps to regulate bowel movement. Number 2, supporting the cardiovascular system. Millets contain magnesium which helps to regulate heart rhythm. Millet also contain vitamin B3. Number 3, reducing the risk of diabetes. A 2021 study suggests that millets can reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Number 4, managing obesity. Another study from 2021 investigated the effectiveness of millets consumption in managing obesity and high cholesterol. Number 5, reducing oxidative stress. A high-fat diet is also a risk factor for the development of dementia because it increases oxidative stress in the brain. Now, I want all of you to remember the benefit of millets. India's wealth, millets for health. Thank you.